How to recover a deleted Google Docs file. First of all, open the Google Docs app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Bin. This is where deleted files are stored temporarily. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the Google Docs file you want to recover. Once you find the file, tap the three dots next to it and select Restore. This will move the document back to your Google Docs app. If you don't see the file in Bin, it may have been permanently deleted or recovery might not be possible through the app. Remember, files in Bin are only kept for about 30 days before being deleted permanently. It's a good idea to check your Bin folder regularly if you accidentally delete important files. And that's it. Now you know how to recover a deleted Google Docs file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.